It's Renee trying to put on her first minnow.
Ooh. This one. Big. Okay, the thing is stuck in my finger. Oh, got it. Okay. Oh, I got it. Check it out.
And she used the biggest minnow. So she's gonna go catch a shark now. Nice work. Put him in right there.
Oh, party foul.
Yep. You're gonna have to detangle it up there on the front.
We're gonna have to edit this out of the video.
No, you're troubleshooting at everything. You're natural.
You're fishy, fishy. It's gonna be a while.
Well,
The chances are highly likely that when I catch one, it won't be big enough.
you'll be fine. Look at the technique. She's a natural.
What? Randy's?
Huh?
I'm gonna find one that's 11 inches.
I hope. Well. And she missed it.
And
We'll be back.